We've all heard of red flags and green flags, but have you ever heard of a beige flag? And what on earth is orbiting? What if I tell you these are all dating terms?
What?
Welcome to Unscrew English. Since Valentine's Day is just around the corner, I decided to make a video on some common Gen Z dating terms that people are using left and right these days. And if you want to stay at the top of your game, then you must watch it till the end.
It's a beige flag.
Beige means not sure types.
Beige flag.
Beige flag.
Beige flag. A beige flag is an odd, weird quality about a person that you can deal with, that you can let go of. It's not a red flag, it's not a complete deal breaker, but it's not a green flag either. It's somewhere in between. It's something that you can adjust with. For example, his biggest beige flag is that he eats the same meal every day. It means that it is not a red flag. I'm not going to leave this person because he eats the same thing, but it's something that I will adjust with.
Shimping, okay.
Simp.
Simple.
Simp. A simp is a person who gives excessive attention to someone even when the other person is not responding to that attention. For example, he's always doing favors for her even though she doesn't respond. He's definitely simping.
Don't be a simp.
Texting.
Texting. Texting sounds like a dirty word, but it's not. It actually means to fight over text. For example, rather than discussing their issues face to face, they were texting.
आजकल टेक्स्ट पे फाइट कौन करता है? सामने हो तो मोबाइल नहीं उठा के मारे.
हाँ वही बेंचिंग आई थिंक उसी को कहते हैं हाँ.
Benching. Benching is when you keep somebody on the side as an option while you explore other people. For example, I hate that he's benching me because he only texts me when his other plans fall through.
Soft launching.
सॉफ्ट लॉन्च तो सॉफ्ट लॉन्च ही होता है.
Hard launch, soft launch.
सॉफ्ट लॉन्च तो ठीक है.
Soft launch. It means to tell everybody on social media that you have a partner without actually showing their face. For example, before her wedding, she soft launched her relationship. It means that she put up some pictures on Instagram with her partner but without their faces.
Love bombing.
Love bombing.
That's what love bombing is.
Love bombing. Love bombing means to shower someone with a lot of love, a lot of affection, a lot of compliments, but to control them, to manipulate them. Let's try to understand it better with an example. When they had a huge fight, he didn't discuss the problems. He just love bombed her. It means rather than discussing the issues in the relationship, he started love bombing her to control her emotions, to manipulate her.
When the relationship is fizzling.
Fizzling. When a relationship is fizzling, it means it is dying slowly. It means that not as many efforts are being put into the relationship by both the parties. It means you stop talking regularly, you stop texting each other as often. It is slowly losing out its light, its energy. The relationship is slowly dying. For example, they don't talk or meet that often. I think the relationship is fizzling out.
Bread crumbing.
Bread crumbing है यार. अरे भाई bread crumbing क्या होता है?
Breadcrumbing. Breadcrumbing means to give a person just enough attention to keep them hooked, to keep them talking to you without any real intention of getting together. For example, he disappears for weeks and then suddenly texts you a hey. That's definitely breadcrumbing.
What is orbiting?
Orbiting. When you are orbiting someone, it means that you've stopped talking to them, but you're still following them on social media. You still watch their stories, you still like their posts, but you're not talking to each other. For example, even after breaking up, they were still orbiting each other.
Snack.
Snack मेरे लिए तो खाना है यार.
Snack. The word snack traditionally means little bites that you eat between your meals. But in this case, the Gen Z has totally changed the meaning of the word. It actually means somebody who is very good looking, who looks very hot. For example, at the birthday party, she looked like a snack. It means she looked amazing.
जो उसके साथ तो सबसे ज्यादा pick me behavior होता था ना.
Pick me. A pick me person is somebody who puts other people down to gain attention from the opposite gender. For example, she was behaving like a pick me girl when she told the guys she hates makeup.
Do you know the meaning of salty?
Salty.
Yeah.
No.
Stop being salty, man.
Salty. The word salty means jealous or bitter. For example, when she wasn't invited to the party, she was salty. It means she was bitter and jealous.
Stop being salty, sir.
This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you learned some crazy Gen Z terms. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe. Keep unscrewing English with me. I'll see you in the next video.